Hey guys, how's it going? Get back to another video. Today's video is going to show you how you can move data from your Android device directly to your iPhone or vice versa, or even copy them between those phones. So you can technically say it as migrate from one phone to another. So let's get started. I have covered this kind of topic so many times in my channel in the past, but today's video I decided to use a different software in order to do it. And this time I'm going to demonstrate Dr.Fone Switch, which is both available for Windows and Mac OS. Of course compatible with the latest Android 9.0 and iOS 12.2, and of course is used to transfer data between iOS and Android and vice versa, such as messages, photos, videos, music, voiceovers, and many more. And also this is the fastest method of any other software I have introduced in the past. Of course, it's very easy. It only takes one click in order to transfer the data between your old device directly to your new one, Android to iOS, for example. And of course, it's very reliable, which is very good. And also, another key feature is that this is cheaper than the other tools I have used in the past. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you purchase and download the software, go ahead and open it. And when you open it, you're going to see this very beautiful and well organized screen. And you have many tools coming within it. In our case, we're going to go through Switch. Oh, and by the way, a very small disclaimer before we move on. In this video, I'm going to only show you how you can transfer videos between your Android device directly to your iPhone. But for the other files, of course, the same method applies. So first, I'm going to move on my files. And I'm going to show you all the videos I'm currently having. So I'm going to move on videos. And here are all these videos. So 52 videos on the list, which are going to be on my iPhone after the procedure. So let's move on. Okay, so now it's time to connect your device to which you want to transfer data from and to. So in my case, I'm going to transfer data from my Samsung S7, which I'm going to connect right now. Okay, and now you may connect your iPhone as well. And now you're ready to transfer whatever data you would like between those devices. In my case, from my Samsung S7 directly to my iPhone XR. In our case, I'm only going to transfer videos, but if you want to transfer music, photos, and calendar and all the other stuff, then you may wish to just check all these boxes, or if you want, you can select all these items. But please also bear in mind that different items can go in different places on the iPhone. So for example, videos are going to go on the TV or videos app, maybe because iOS doesn't allow you to transfer videos from third-party software directly to the Photos app on the iPhone. I don't know why. But photos are definitely going to go on the Photos app on your iPhone. And also, if you wish to transfer data from your iPhone to your Android device, then you can click on the flip button and then everything's going to be reversed. And now I'm ready to transfer all the videos. We're going to click on Start Transfer. And as you can see, all these videos are going to be transferred directly to my iPhone. This is going to take a while because these videos are actually quite large files. And I'll be back as soon as it's done. Okay, so finally this process is done. So as you can see, all these videos have been transferred successfully on my iPhone device. And it took a bit of time because in total all these videos are actually several gigabytes. Definitely need to take some time in order to transfer all these videos from my Android device directly to my iPhone. And there are many factors which can affect the speed. It's also your devices and also your computer. Like if the process of your computer is quite slow, then Dr.Fone is not going to be able to meet its potential in terms of speed. And now I'm going to show you all the videos which I have successfully transferred on my iPhone. So let's go ahead and unlock this device. And because in my case the videos app is not available, I'm going to go to an app called TV, which is this one. And if I move on to the library, actually movies, and then it's going to show me all these videos which I have successfully transferred. So these are all the videos which are stored here. And as you can see, the thumbnail is pretty much the same. I'm going to play one video just to show you. So I'm going to play this video here. Then find the equivalent video on my Android device. I'm actually going to look at the number. So this is 2018 7/4. I think this one. So let's go and see. I'm going to turn down the volume. So as you can see, my footage on my Android device is exactly the same as the one on my iPhone. The quality is also the same. So as you can see, I'm gonna move it on the sideways. As you can see, no loss on the quality, which is very cool because you don't want to lose any quality when you transfer stuff on a different device. And by the way, this video was shot by my Samsung S7 and hence the quality is very good. And again, the same thing pretty much with the rest of these videos. So that pretty much concludes everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope I clear up any possible confusion on how to transfer between how to move data between one device or another very easily without involving having to transfer data to your computer and then to your iPhone and things like this. So I hope you found this software useful, and please let me know down in the comments what do you think, whether you're gonna use it, and also if you have any problems with it, I will try to answer as quick as possible. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and also don't forget to share this video to your friends in case they are switching to a new device, so they will know one of the easiest ways in order to transfer data between their old device and the new device. And also, most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it in order to get notified on every video we upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you in my next video.